So, this problem of fighting, we have to understand that fighting spirit is there in everyone. You cannot check it, you cannot stop it. We do not say stop. The Mayavadi philosopher says they will stop this thing, but that is not possible. You cannot stop. Because you are living entity, you have got all these propensities, how you can stop it? But it should be utilized properly, that's all. You have got the fighting spirit, how to utilize it? Yes, Narottam Das Thakur recommends, Krodh Bhakta Deshi Jane, those who are envious of God or God's devotee, you can utilize your anger upon them. You can utilize. The anger you cannot give up. Our business is how to utilize it. That is Krishna consciousness. Everything has to be utilized. We do not say that you stop this, stop that. No. Krishna says, Jat karosi, jat juhosi, jat asnasi, jat tapassasi, purusya tad madarpanam. Jat karosi. Krishna does not say that you do this, you do that. He says, whatever you do, but the result should come to me.